Welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope that you guys had a great weekend. I know that you are ready to start off your week with my 31% off Monday. So if you follow me on YouTube, then you know that I love to highlight items from my new spring 2020 catalog that are 31% off. So if you have this catalog, go ahead and grab it, turn to page 31, and you are going to see a ton of items on here that are 31% off. So these are bring back products, prints, and Hostess exclusive items that we have brought back just for you and brought them back on sale. So the one that I'm going to be highlighting today is called the Hanging Traveler Case. It's going to come on this page on the 31% off in the Tropical Twist print. Now I adore this print. It just screams summertime, the beach. I just love it. This print is just fun. But it's called the Tropical Twist print. So you've got accents of navy and orange, white and hot pink. It's trimmed in navy. So if you wanted to personalize something with any color, I would definitely suggest that navy color, just because it's trimmed in navy. But I love the Hanging Traveler Case because it has a handle right here on the top so you can grab it up really quick. I don't travel without a Hanging Traveler Case. It doesn't matter if I'm flying, if I'm driving, if I'm camping, I have a Hanging Traveler Case with me. I actually have several of them. I love them for so many reasons. If you personalize, of course, it's going to be personalized right here on the bottom, but these are so handy. It zips all the way around the edge right here, and it opens up into a travel goodness section, if you want to say whatever you want to say. But you can hook this around on the back of the hotel bathroom door, or you can actually unbuckle this right here and hook it around the towel bar in the bathroom. Even if you wanted to use this for your kids in the car, you can unbuckle this right here, put it around the headrest. You could put their iPad in here if they have a smaller iPad or a Kindle or whatever tablet that they have with them. You could definitely put it in here, and this is a zipper pocket right here. And then they can use the touch screen through here. But this is great for, like, if you wanted to store your jewelry in here, if you wanted to store, you know, different things. This is also, like, great for direct sales. If you wanted to carry, like, your mini catalogs and things like that in your car, this is really, really handy for that too. But you could put, like, your razor, your toothbrush, really anything in this section right here. I'm just gonna fold the back section down. So I have different items in here just to show you that this can hold full-size shampoo bottles if you want it to. And it can also hold, like, travel size bottles too. So you've got the mesh pockets down here. Actually, like, I fill mine up so full with all my little travel bottles, but everything fits in here. Lotions, hand creams, you know, shampoo, conditioner, face wash, eye makeup remover. Like, it all fits in here, I promise. And then this section right here is actually this front little zipper, this front section right here. This is actually a zipper pocket as well. So you can store things in here too. And then there's this middle section where more bottles can fit in here too. Like, I just cannot travel without this. So this is called the Hanging Traveler Case. And you guys know I love to pair products together for you guys, just to kind of help you build a solution set. So one thing that you could get to match, this is called the Keepsake Tray. This is in the Tropical Twist print. It's so cute. This is a little ceramic tray. So if you wanted to carry this with you traveling, you could. Especially, like, if you're going, you know, to the beach and you want to be able to, like, keep all your jewelry, you know, in one place so it won't, like, you know, get misplaced. This might be something that you want to take with you. This is also a great little gift, a little stocking stuffer, a little birthday gift. But you can actually just slide this down inside here if you'd like. But I just thought it was cute because it matched the set. So this is called the Keepsake Tray. So you can pair these together along with our crossbody organizing tote in that Tropical Twist print. This is also on that 31% off page. So definitely take this with you if you're going on vacation. You can use this as a beach bag if you'd like. Put all of your beach towels in here, your sunscreen, your Benjamin's wallet, your telephone, your water on the side. And of course, this is a crossbody. So you've got this set right here. You've got your crossbody organizing tote. You've got your Hanging Traveler Case. You got your little Keepsake Tray. And then that qualifies you for my 50/50 customer special. For every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item. So what are you going to get for 50% off? You bet your bottom dollar. You're going to get this Essentials Carry All. So this is like the mother of all carry travel things, you guys, that can hold a ton. So like you've got your smaller makeups in here maybe, but this can be used for like your big stuff, like your hairspray, your flat iron, your hair dryer, all that stuff. So this is the perfect solution set for you guys. When we get to travel, remember, like we're going to one day, right? We're going to be able to get out and go travel. So this is going to be that most beautiful travel set in this tropical twist print. I love it. It's one of my favorites. So if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Let me know that you're liking this kind of content. I hope that you are. I love doing product reviews for you guys and share with you how I use my products. So give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my 31% off Monday videos. And if you're on Facebook, I'd love to be your consultant. If you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'll link below my VIP customer group. You can request to join. I'll ask you 2 questions. And then once you answer those questions, I'm going to send you a private message. So make sure that you check your message request folder. That way you see that message from me. And then hopefully we'll get you added to my customer group on Facebook. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have a great day. See y'all soon. Bye.